Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Doom Eternal Ultra Nightmare. Focus on the core loop: Glory Kill for health, Chainsaw for ammo, and Flamethrower for armor. This resource management is absolutely critical on Ultra Nightmare. You'll need to be incredibly precise with your weapon swaps, often chaining together 3 or 4 different weapons in a single second to maximize your damage output. Remember, every demon is a resource, and every resource is a step closer to victory. Stay aggressive, but play smart. Your arsenal is your lifeline. Fully upgrading your weapons and their mods is non-negotiable. The Super Shotgun's meat hook provides unparalleled mobility, allowing you to grapple onto demons and reposition instantly. The Ballista delivers immense burst damage, perfect for quickly dispatching tougher foes. Don't forget the Plasma Rifle's Heat Blast, which is fantastic for clearing out groups of smaller demons and generating crucial armor. Master each weapon's unique strengths. Strategic upgrades are paramount for Ultra Nightmare. The Dashing Rune gives you an extra dash, crucial for dodging. Chrono Strike slows time during weapon swaps, offering precious seconds for precision. Saving Throw grants a second chance, which can be a lifesaver. Invest your Predator suit points into faster resource collection and environmental resistance. Always prioritize health, armor, and ammo capacity with Argent Energy to ensure you have the staying power needed. Advanced techniques separate the Slayer from the slain. Quick swapping between weapons like the Super Shotgun and Ballista delivers devastating burst damage. Understanding each demon's attack patterns and weaknesses allows for efficient takedowns. Use your frag grenades to stun groups and the flame belch to generate armor from multiple enemies. Mastering the Glory Kill mechanic is vital for health regeneration, especially when you're low and surrounded. Every action must be deliberate and precise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.